In today's video, I want to talk about why InstaWP is better than other staging environment providers. Okay, so let's talk about hosting companies' staging versus InstaWP. So when you move your files or when you do your staging with a hosting company, sometimes it leaves out very important data like your tables and media folders. So as a result, you start getting a lot of errors. And because all this is happening on the same server, this is taking on a lot of resources and this can cause a lot of errors. Now let's find out how InstaWP does it. InstaWP has a companion plugin for migrations, management, and sync. It's called InstaWP Connect. So this plugin now connects your staging sites. So let's say I want to work on my website here. I've gone ahead and I installed the plugin. Installing it is very easy. All you have to do is to come over here to plugins and then search for InstaWP Connect. Now, once installed, you can activate it. So I already have it running here. So if I go to this little icon here, I can pretty much go to InstaWP. I can go to my shortcuts here. I can manage my sites. I can create a staging from here. And there are also tools whereby I can go to my file manager and database manager. But let's just go to our staging sites here so you can see what the interface pretty much looks like. So this is what it looks like. I can go into sync beta. Now sync is super exciting because what happens is, let's say I make some changes over here on this site and I want them pushed over to my other staging site. What happens is all the changes that I've done can just be pushed over just like that and I am pretty much good to go. It saves me many clicks to make sure that my other site has been updated with my staging site. Okay, so let's take a look again at our plugin-based approach. So over here, like I said, I have WP Vivid. So the challenge again here is, let's say my website is huge, it's 4 gig. If I were to create a staging site here, you can imagine the resources that I'm using now on this actual server. This can be massive. And if I make any changes on my staging server, I'll have to push this to the live site. And again, there's so much data being transferred and all this is happening on the same server. With a server-based solution, all the resources are happening on a live production server, therefore using a lot of resources. Now back over here on InstaWP, let's say everything has been pushed over and everything is fine and it's working great. Now it's time to host it. All you have to do is to click on Go Live and there we go. We also have InstaWP Live where you can go ahead and host this website. So once you select it, you can just click on Next Step. And then over here, you add your card details. And then on the bottom here, you can choose your plan. So this is based on the power that you need. So if it's 2 CPUs, you can choose 2 CPUs here. But of course, you want to take a look closely because this is where you want to make sure that you're choosing the right one. But it's very easy to choose. You can just select it here, click on Next Step. And just like that, in a very short space of time, your website is going to be up and running. So as you can see, InstaWP is very easy to use. Everything is all on instawp.com. So you don't have to worry about setting all this up on a server. As I mentioned before, if you use a plugin-based approach, you are going to have a lot of problems because once your website gets bigger and you're pushing data between your staging site and your live site, it's taking a lot of resources on the main server. And once you're ready with InstaWP, you can go ahead and host that website with InstaWP Live, and it is very seamless. And with InstaWP Connect, you can install this plugin and basically have seamless data between your staging websites. So go ahead and start using InstaWP. The link to that is in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.